Alright, hello everyone. This afternoon, we are going to unbox another blade from Chinese Ping Pong. And we are expecting a Sanwei F3 Pro to be inside this box. So, let's start unboxing it. And let's see if it is really the one that we are expecting to be seen. So they say that Sanwei F3 Pro is like a clone for Timo Boll ALC, the butterfly bat that is known for that composition of this blade. So the handle should be blue. And it should have a silver Sanwei icon or badge at the bottom and on the side of the handle. Some say that this blade is even faster than the Timo Boll, but I heard another review, or I read another review, that it says it's slower than that of Timo Boll's butterfly ALC. But well, we'll find out when we start using it. But as for now, let's open it to check if it is really the one. And da-da-da-da-da. Alright, Chinese Ping Pong again included a free Sanwei paddle case, and wow, a blue one, Chinese Ping Pong blue side tape or edge tape. I like it. I'm a fan since it is also a blue. Ta-da! It's really super light. See it? This is the badge or the icon that I am looking for, the silver one. At the bottom, we also have it. On the other side, nothing's written. On the other side, it's the F3 Pro. It's 5 plywood plus 2 ALC. Loop/quick attack. Offensive plus. Right. This is my newly bought Sanwei F3 Pro from Chinese Ping Pong. Alright, so thank you for watching. See you all again in my next videos. Bye bye.